How to memorize the trigonometry table in seconds. If someone knows how to count the fingers of their hand, you can memorize the trigonometry table in seconds. Students who struggle with their studies and do not know how to memorize the trigonometry table, this is for you. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Let's get started. Look this picture carefully and know how to memorize the trigonometry table just seconds. Count the fingers and find out the exact value of cos theta. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Just count the fingers above 30 degree. So count 1, 2, and 3. Right here 3. So your exact answer is 3 under root over 2. One more example. What is the value of cos 60 degree? Just count the fingers above 60 degree. This is the 60 degree. Count the finger above, only one finger. So what is the exact value of cos 60 degree? One finger above. So the exact answer is 1 under root over 2. That mean 1 over 2. Do yourself and make enjoy from this video. Thanks for watching.